Welcome back to Responsible Economy. Today, we are bringing you a brand new video. SoFi Savings Account. In this video we will show you all the features of this savings account. Interest rate, fees, requirements, and all you need to know. As usual, at the end of this video, you will have a comparison with the 10 best savings accounts that you can open in the United States in 2023. You will also have more related content in the description of this video. Let's begin. The maximum interest rate you can get on the SoFi savings account is 4% APY. To get this 4% you must make a direct deposit monthly. If you do not make any deposit, the interest rate is 1.20% APY. In the case of not making a direct deposit, the interest rate is very low, as we will see later. Savings accounts do not have minimum terms. Since you deposit the money, you get a remuneration. Savings accounts can change the conditions at any time. So if you have a savings account, it is good that you check the interest rate that they are offering you. During 2023, banks are raising the interest rates they offer. There is no required minimum deposit, and opening the savings account is free. As you are seeing on the slide, one of the best features of the SoFi savings account is the welcome bonus. If you make a direct deposit between $1,000 and $5,000, you have a welcome bonus of $50, and if the direct deposit is greater than $5,000, the welcome bonus is $250. Valid direct deposits are payroll, Social Security, or government income. Also add that SoFi is member to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, so your money is insured up to $250,000. Even if SoFi goes bankrupt, your first $250,000 would be safe. As we said before, you can withdraw the money whenever you want without penalties. It is the big difference between certificates of deposits and savings accounts. In savings accounts there are no penalties for withdrawing money. By the way, if you want to know which are the best certificates of deposit, both here above and in the description you have a video with the 10 best. To open a SoFi savings account, it is not necessary to be a client or have a checking account with SoFi. It is only necessary to reside in the United States and have Social Security. You can withdraw money at more than 50,000 fee-free ATMs throughout the United States. The ATMs that do not charge commissions are those of the Allpoint network. The money you can earn depends on 3 variables: money deposited, returns, and terms. These 3 variables are directly proportional to the interest generated. The more money deposited, the more interest. The longer the money is in the bank, the higher the interest, and the higher the return, the higher the interest. If we deposit $100,000 for 12 months with an interest rate of 4%, we will have $4,000 of interest, but we leave it for 2 years, we will have $8,000 of interests. Now we go with a little more information about the SoFi Bank. One of SoFi's worst features is that it doesn't offer Zelle. Bank transfers tend to have very high fees, which is why Zelle has become the favorite way for Americans to send and receive money. It does not have an overdraft service, so all payments that make the account negative will be rejected, but in the case of making direct deposits, you are covered up to $50. Finally, you can have your payroll paid up to 2 days before. On our YouTube channel you have a complete video about the SoFi checking account and its characteristics. Finally, you are seeing at the 10 best savings accounts that you can open in the United States. The maximum interest rate is 4.40% APY, while the minimum interest rate is 3.3% APY. Remember that they are the best 10 savings accounts. You are also seeing if they have requirements. Both here above and in the description, you have a video in which we explain the features of each one. Our conclusion is that SoFi does not offer a competitive savings account because to receive a high interest rate you have to make direct deposits, it does not have Zelle, and it does not have branches either. On the other hand, making direct deposits, the interest rate is very high, there are no commissions, and there are no requirements to open the account. We hope you liked this video, and if you have any questions, you can ask us, and we will try to solve it in less than 48 hours. You can also subscribe to receive daily videos and visit us at Responsible Economy website, and remember that you have more links in the description. Have a nice day.